Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will learn how to see page you liked on Facebook. We will start by opening the Facebook app. Next, we will click on the top options menu. Then we will click on Settings and Privacy and then on Settings. Here we move and look for the Activity Log option. You can use the search magnifier above to find this option faster. After that, we are going to click on the Activity History option. Next, we are going to click on the Filters option and then on the Categories option. Now we are going to display the Your Activity on Facebook option and then open the Pages category. In the options, click on Pages, Page Likes, and Interests. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After this, you will be able to see the content of pages that you like thanks to the applied filter. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.